Installing a power distribution board. Tilt the power distribution board, align it with the hole, and then slide it into place. Gently push the power distribution board connector to ensure it is connected to the system board. Fasten the 5 Phillips No. 1 screws. Check the gap pads on the water loop and replace any that are damaged or missing. Carefully turn over the water loop, position it over the 2 guide pins near the rear of the node, and then lower it down and ensure it is firmly seated on the system board. Push all the anti-tilt wire bales outwards to the locked position. Use a Torx T30 Torx screwdriver to fully fasten the 8 captive screws on the cold plates in the installation sequence shown on the cold plate label. Unfasten the 12 Phillips No. 2 water loop carrier screws. Carefully lift the water loop carrier up and away from the water loop. Fasten the 9 Torx T10 water loop screws. Fasten the following screws to secure the quick connect. 5 Torx T10 screws on the rear of the node. 2 Torx T10 screws on the quick connect. Install the voltage regulator clamp plate in the node, and then install the 2 Torx T10 screws. Install the DIMM combs and DIMMs. Install the PCIe riser assemblies or drive cage assemblies. Install the M.2 backplane assembly. Install the cross braces. Install the tray cover. Install the tray into the enclosure.